So I decided to make a Halloween version of my gingerbread face guy. If you've seen that one, it's somewhere in my videos. You can find it for Christmas. So I just went ahead and I painted another 8-inch disc that's a styrofoam disc. And I went ahead, after it dried, I Mod Podged it. And then I went ahead and added some diamond dust, or you could also add just the plain transparent white glitter. Next, I went all the way around the edge with E6000, and then I spread it around. After that, I went ahead and added some fake polymer clay sprinkles. I have this mix in my shop. It's called Glam Candy Boutique, but you can also find lots of different varieties on Etsy. And I did go back in and add in any sprinkles to cover any gaps later. Next, I started sculpting some eyes with some air dry clay, so just 2 big white ovals. And after that, I just made 2 small ovals, and then I'm going to paint them black so that they're the pupils. I decided to do something a little bit quirky here. I decided to make a candy corn nose. And I actually make 2 of them because I wanted to be able to choose if I wanted a small or large nose. But it's just air dry clay, and then I painted it with acrylic paint. And then I actually used UV gel nail polish to seal it, to seal in the glitter and paint, and then I just cured it in my little nail machine. And you can see me adding the glitter here and then just popping it into the machine, and I did that for each color. Next, I just took some fabric paint and I just drew on a funky kind of mouth. And I went back through and I thickened the mouth. Then I painted on some cheeks with acrylic paint and put highlights, and then put highlights in his eyes also. Next, I made a bow for him, and I just used wired ribbon and just tied some loops and secured it to the stick. And I decided he needed some eyebrows, so I went ahead and added those on. So here he is, and I just wanted to put my hand against him so that you could see the scale. And he could lay on his side like that, or you can display him in a flower pot like I usually do. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you subscribe or leave comments. I always appreciate them. Thank you so much. Bye.